Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can delete Discord DMs. So to begin with, I have to note that, in order to delete your DMs, that's no problem. You can just touch and hold at the message you would like to erase, choose the delete message option, click at yes, and here you have it. As you can see, if I'll touch and hold on the other hand at the DM message of my partner, it will not have such option. If you would like to remove the dialog from the list of your direct messages over here, you can also do that, but not quite. You can go for the close DMs option, which will simply remove those DMs from the list, and they will reappear over there only once you will receive a new message in this dialog in particular, and the history will not be also removed at all. But that's something at least. So in order to close the DM, open it, tap at the DM title or dialog title, then at this 3 horizontal dots, choose the close DM option. As you can see there, I will not have it over here at the list of my private messages or dialogues. But if I will, from the account that I have had the message in history with, I'll type in the new message. As you can see, it will reappear on my end as well with the same DM history. So if you would like to get rid of a person entirely, just block this Discord user, which you can do by tapping at the user itself and blocking it like that. This will prevent this Discord user from being able to send you new private messages, and therefore the dialog of your dialog will not reappear. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.